Hello guys, this is Sukada Kutak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे current affairs of 3rd October 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our Instagram channel Be EduCARE Official, where regular quiz and exam updates are uploaded. Mirzapur actor Pankaj Tripathi has been named as the national icon of the Election Commission of India at an event organized. The award-winning actor was made a national icon on the basis of his association with the ECI in creating awareness amongst the voters. The announcement was made by the Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar. PM's scheme for mentoring young authors, that is Yuva 2.0, is launched, where Yuva stands for Young, Upcoming and Versatile Authors. Yuva 2.0 is a program specifically for mentoring young authors and a program to train young and the budding authors below the age of 30 to promote reading, writing and book culture in the country and project India and Indians among writing globally. The Education Ministry in a release said that Yuva 2.0 is a part of India at the rate 75 project, that is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, to bring to the fore of the perspectives of the young generations of writers on the theme democracy, that is institutions, events, people, constitutional values, past, present and future in an innovative and a creative manner. The scheme will thus help to develop a stream of the writers who can write a spectrum of subjects to promote Indian heritage, culture and the knowledge system. Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2022 Awards. Telangana won the first prize under the large states category under the Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2022, which looks into the sanitization of status of the rural areas. Haryana secured the second position, while the Tamil Nadu was the third. The awards were presented by the President, Draupadi Murmu. Nobel Prize 2022, Savanti Pabo wins in Physiology and Medicine for his achievements in concerning the genomes of the extinct hominins and human evolution. The winner was announced at Karolinska Institute in Stockholm on 3rd October 2022. His discovery and knowledge were derived mainly from various archaeological findings, bones, artifacts from the extinct relatives at multiple sites around the world. Starting with the current affair quiz, the first question for the day is, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched Yuva 2.0 to mentor which of the following? The next question is, what is the name of the Indian American who has been honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award by the United States? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are as follows. The third Vande Bharat Express train, which was recently inaugurated, runs between which of the following cities? The correct answer is Mumbai and Ahmedabad. What is the process of replacing original payment card details with the alternative code? The correct answer is tokenization. As per UGC guidelines, what is the percentage limit of the seats for foreign students in the higher educational institutions? The correct answer is 25%. Who has become the first European woman to command International Space Station? The correct answer is Samantha Cristoforetti. That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video as much as possible. Also, please click on the like button below. For classroom, live class, recorded lectures, books, ebooks, facilities, please contact on the number which you can see on your screens. For more information, download the app from the link which is given in the description box below.